Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as you well know, I was invited to the OnePlus 6 launch yesterday and it was an absolutely fantastic event. The presentation that the OnePlus team put on, the time afterwards spent with the devices, and of course meeting other creators and you guys as well was absolutely superb. I couldn't have wished for more. They also surprised a few people by announcing the release of their new set of wireless earphones, Bullets Wireless. They will be available for $69.99, and obviously without testing them I can't say for sure, but apparently according to many people who have tested them already, they are meant to be right up there in terms of sound quality, and they charge fully in 10 minutes with Type-C charge, and you can turn them off just by clipping them magnetically together and turn them on by doing the opposite, and that's how you can end and start calls as well. So I will hopefully get my hands on a pair to test, and I will let you know my thoughts. But there was one little thing which I didn't do yesterday, and that was of course represented in the comment section from you guys saying, hey mate, come on, it's been 2 hours, where's your unboxing video? And I really did want to have that video ready for yesterday, just after the launch. There were a few little problems, but we have got it sorted, and that video will hopefully be tomorrow. But right now, I've got a little teaser for you, because I did get hands-on with the device yesterday. So here is some footage of the very much anticipated OnePlus 6, 3 different color variants. Take it away. So this video is going to be very short. I'm going to delve into far more detail in tomorrow's unboxing video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I do post that video tomorrow, you are notified. Of course, as you can see there are 3 different devices. 2 will be available on release, the Mirror Black and the Midnight Black. And the Silk White version will become available, I believe, around June the 7th. Don't quote me on that. But it's going to be a couple of weeks after the launch of the 2 original devices, which again is either the 21st or the 22nd. As you can see from both the front and the back, all of the leaks and renders throughout the last few months have pretty much led us to the stage where we knew it was going to look like this. There weren't really too many shocks or surprises. Of course, all 3 devices are made of metal and glass. Even the Midnight Black variant, which doesn't appear to look like glass, is actually made of glass. Then the Mirror Black one has a sort of ceramic look to it without the weight. And of course, the White Silk variant actually has within its infrastructure pearl, which is pretty impressive, and again, more detail tomorrow. Very nice feeling in the hand, very premium, very light as well though. So as an example, it's not quite as heavy as the ceramic on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 and the Mi Mix 2S, but it still has that premium look. Headphone jack on the bottom, Type-C charge, the mode switch going from do not disturb to silent, etc. and the power button on the right hand side, as well as volume rocker up and down on the left hand side, and of course the fingerprint sensor under the dual rear camera. The bottom bezel on the front is actually smaller than the OnePlus 5T, but it is still there, and again I'll get into more detail tomorrow. And of course the notch on the front is there. We knew it was going to be there. Yeah, I'm kind of quite used to seeing it now, so it doesn't really feel as bad as potentially it once was. But I know a lot of you guys were questioning the design choice in using a notch, like with a lot of the other phones that are being released at this moment in time. Inside that notch, it houses the front-facing selfie camera and, of course, the speaker. So again, as it is now final, I want you to tell me in the comment section below, what do you think of the design? Which colour out of the 3 do you prefer? Mirror Black, which is the glossy one, Midnight Black, which is the matte one, and of course the White Silk, which is kind of a mix between. It's not massively glossy, but equally it's not completely matte. It's got a nice shimmer to it. And flip side on the front, what do you think about the front design? Is the notch still going to affect you buying this phone? Is the bezel on the bottom small enough, or is it still too big in your opinion? And of course, like I mentioned at the start, make sure you check tomorrow's video out, because I will go into far more detail during the unboxing to give you all of the information that I can right now, and then my full review will be available right at the start of next week. It's going to go out, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and it'll have all the information on the camera, the software, etc, etc. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you are new to the channel and love everything tech. Pretty much daily content here. Once again, thanks to all of you guys who actually approached me yesterday at the event and said hi and wanted to chat about the device. It was really, really enjoyable to actually meet some of you guys. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say ASBYT, peace out.